Very good morning, students. So let's start our English class. The Brave Little Kite. Open page number 43 of your book, and we'll start this new poem of Brave Little Kite, The Brave Little Kite. Parth, can you start reading? Can you recite this poem?
I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try, or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I fall. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye. I am off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky. Then the little kite's paper stared at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. First grim and frightened, then braver grown up he rose, thought the air alone, till the big kite looking down to see till little one listening steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side, while far below he could see the ground and the boys like small sports moving round.
Okay. Prityanshu, can you read it?
For flight, first willing and frightened, when braver grown up, he rose through the air alone, till a big kite looking down, cloud see
Could
the
see.
little one rising.
Could
Huh?
see. Could see hai. Cloud. It's not cloud. It's could see.
Okay, ma'am. Down could see the little on rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as a sailed with a big kite side by side,
Prityanshu,
while
take care.
far below he could.
Prityanshu, take care of he, the small words you have to take care of. As he
Yes,
sailed
ma'am.
with the big kite side by side, like this. Read slowly. And take care of the words. Yes.
Below he could see the ground and the boys like small spots moving round.
Very good.
They, rest, they rested high in the quiet air, and only the bird and cloud were there.
Yes.
Oh, how happy I am! The little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried.
Yes.
A
Very
poem by Catherine Pyle.
Catherine Pine. This poem.
Catherine Pyle.
The poet of this poem is Catherine Pine. Let me explain this poem to you all. First of all, this is a poem is a brave little kite. How does the scared little kite become a brave little kite? This kite was very scared. What scared means? Can you tell me? You can tell me scared means? Yes. Priyanshu?
Ma'am, डरना.
Yes. So this small kite, little kite was very scared. बहुत डरी हुई थी. But that kite taught that kite that it should not be fair, it should not scare. So let's read this poem. Let me explain this poem to you all. I never can do it, the little kite said. Little kite said that I never can do it as he looked at the others high over his head. Whenever he looked over his head, he just said that I never can do this. I know I should fall if I try to fly. That little kite said that I know I should fall down if I try to fly. Then big guy said that try, only try, or I fear you will learn at all. or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I'm afraid I'll fall. That big kite was saying that try, at least try. You will fall, that's okay, but at least try. And the little kite was saying that I am afraid I will fall. मैं गिर जाऊंगी, मुझे लगता है मैं गिर जाऊंगा. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye. Big kite ने कहा nodded. Nodded means to move your head like this. So the big kite nodded. Oh, well, okay, goodbye. मत उड़ो तुम, जाओ, goodbye. I'm off, and he rose towards the tranquil sky. Tranquil is a type of color that belongs to the blue family. Understand? So that big kite just rose. मतलब rise means उड़ गया. Rose to the tranquil sky. Then a little kite's paper steered at the side. That little kite's paper was steering. And trembling, he shook himself free for flight. He was that his paper was just steering, and he was trembling. He shook himself free for flight. He just free himself for flight. First thrilling and frightened. पहले वो डरा थोड़ा सा, उसका सर घूमने लगा, like this things happen. And then braver gone. Then he just flew above. Up he rose through the air long. Till the big kite, looking down, could see the little one rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side. Side by side, the big kite के उड़ने लगा. While far below, he could see the ground. ऊपर से बहुत ऊपर से उसने आकाश को देखा. And the boys like small spots moving round. और जो boys थे छोटे छोटे, उनको बहुत मजा आ रहा था ऊपर spots देख. उनको spot जैसा दिख रहा था, इतना ऊपर हो गए. They rested high in the quiet air. And only the birds and cloud were there. Oh, how happy I am! The little kite cried. And little kite cried that, oh, how happy I am above here. And all because I prayed and tried. उसने कहा ये सब कैसे हुआ? That I was brave. मैं बहुत brave था. मैंने कोशिश की. That's why. Understand? So this is all about that brave little kite. I hope you understood. Okay, so the important thing that you all have to write the word meanings which are given here on your notebook, and you have to make sentence of these words. Understand? I hope you understood that. You all have to make sentence of these words, and you have to write the word meanings, and you have to learn them. Move to the exercise over here. Why do you think the little kite was scared? Who can tell me the right answer? Can you tell me? So students, first question of this poem is, why do you think the little kite was scared? And the answer is over here. As you can see, the little kite was scared of the fall. The little kite was scared of the fall. Okay, I hope you have written. Move to the next question, which is here. Who encouraged the little kite to fly? The red kite, the big kite, the boys? And the answer is the big kite.
Ma'am, the big kite.
The boy.
Yes, good. The answer, blue is tranquil is a part of blue family, okay? But here we are asking blue sky is not the right answer. Understand? And the clear sky is not the right answer. The answer is peaceful sky. Why? Because blue is the sign of peace. The answer is peaceful sky. Next, number 4. Which line from the poem tell you that the little kite was ready for
Bye.
Little kite was ready for 5. Yes. Pick the right answer. Which is the right answer here? Then the little little kite's paper stirred at the side. First drilling and frightened, then braver grown as he sailed with a big kite side by side. Which is the right answer? This one is the right answer. Then the little kite's papers appeared at the side. Number 5. Question number 5 is, what was the little kite thrilled with right? So let me show you the answer over here. This is the answer number 5. Question number 5. Answer of question number 5. The little kite was thrilled with pride because it could sail, S-A-I-L. Okay, S-A-I-L, sail side by side with the big kite. Full stop. I hope you all have written. Move to the next question number 6. What could the little kite see from the sky? Answer is, the little kite could see the ground and the boys moving like small spots. So students, I hope you have written question number 6, answer number 6 of question number 6. Now move to the question number 7, which is, what lesson do you learn from the poem? And the answer is, let me show you the answer. You can see answer is over here. We learn that we should try even if the work is difficult. Trying makes us successful. Understand? This is the answer number 7. We learn that we should try even if the work is difficult. Trying makes us successful. Move to the question number 8, which is, look the pictures and write what you think the kites are saying to each other. So here we have to write that what are these kites are saying to each other. And let me show you the answer so it will be helpful for you all. Here you can see small kite is saying, thanks a lot. You encouraged me to fly. Big kite is saying, it's all right, comma, you can do anything if you try. I hope you all have written. Now students, in our next class, we'll start completing our grammar portion. Understand? Well, I have to also today. So we had completed up to which chapter? Can you tell me? Part. So students, in our next class, and we start completing our grammar portion from chapter 6. Okay. So students, that's all for today's class. We'll meet in our next class. Good day, students.